Discord might be cooking today because I got some Discord leaks fresh off the press. I also got some little Discord tweaks that had a big impact, and finally, I got some Discord updates that you might have missed because you're not on Discord 24/7 like I am. Now, I want to start off by leaking 4 things Discord has been working on, and just as a disclaimer, these things are experimental. Don't get your hopes up and don't assume these are coming into Discord. Now, the first leak I want to talk about actually landed in my lap this morning, and I instantly had to make this video. I got a DM from one of my viewers talking about a Discord survey about voice effects or voice changers. And just between you and me, I thought this dude was lying. Like, I straight up interrogated him and asked him for a link because I didn't believe him. But our homeboy Jim delivered. He went through his whole entire search history to give us the link to the survey. This is a real survey offered by Discord, and the best part about this survey is that it gives us a little bit of an insight into what Discord is thinking in terms of adding voice changers to Discord. But Discord is exploring the idea of implementing a real-time voice filter to alter the sound of your voice in a voice call. Is this going to be a Nitro feature? Are you going to have to pay for it? Well, it turns out the survey is going to let us know. Now, in the survey, Discord asks us the benefits of using a voice changer, and to be honest, I just want to be negative and say that people will be annoying with this voice changer, and it is Discord. That is a given. People are going to be annoying, but you can always mute people if they're being annoying, and it actually turns out that Discord has some pretty good reasons for using voice filters, because there are some actual benefits that I completely agree with. I've heard through the internet that voice changers are really good for feeling safer whether you want to change your voice so you don't get recognized, but there are also some cases where transgender people want like a more feminine or a more masculine voice. Now, I ain't transgender, but what I do know is that this voice changer feature is going to be absolutely heat for role-playing sessions and creating content on Discord. Now, I'm not talking about role-playing like, oh, I'll be the husband and you'll... No, I'm talking about Dungeons and Dragons with the boys. You could be the dungeon master and put a voice filter on your microphone so it has a big echo and you say, you enter a vast, dark cave as your footsteps echo with each step. Bro, I'm just saying, there is some potential here. And the next thing Discord wants to figure out is, in what context do you see yourself using voice filters? While playing video games with the boys? Check. Why would you have a voice changer during study sessions? With strangers? People will probably be catfishing with this. Oh, hi! I hate myself. Now, this is where we get an insight into how Discord's business brain works, because who do you expect to have access to voice filters? Do you think voice changers on Discord should be for everyone and for free? Do you think everyone on Discord can have voice filters, but Nitro members get some added benefits? I think that's probably the most sustainable. Or everyone on Discord can purchase individual voice filters on Discord through the shop. Oh, that would be lovely. Or only Nitro subscribers can access voice filters. Now, Discord wants you to do a little bit of imagination, using your brain for once. Discord wants to know that if voice filters are offered exclusively to Discord Nitro subscribers, which might be the direction Discord is going to go, if this was the case, how interested are you in modifying your Nitro subscription? Would you buy Discord Nitro? No. This is where things get delusional. How much are you willing to give Discord to pay for one voice filter? Would you be willing to pay $16? No. Would you be willing to pay $10 again for one voice filter? No. Would you be willing to pay $7? No. $5.50? No. $4.75? I think we could do better. No. Yeah, it turns out that was the wrong answer, but when you get to around $4 and you say yes, then it's gonna bump up the price to try and make you pay more. Discord actually did make a voice effect filter before in the 2019 Hack Week, where Discord employees just kind of make stuff and they have fun with it. And by the way, this is from Discord previews, link in the description, but Discord did make voice effect filters. And I'm thinking, imagine if everyone had like a couple of presets for free, but if you bought Discord Nitro, then you could customize how those presets sound, so you have more reverb or more echo. But it is cool to see that Discord has tried this before, and they might be releasing it in the app sometime in the future. All right, so changing gears, the next leak I want to talk about is Discord's game profiles. But what this experiment does is if you go into Discord and you click on someone's profile that's playing a very popular video game, if you click on their game, you will get the game page. But this page right now is pretty simple. It gives you the genre of the game, what it's about, some links. It'd be nice to see like a Steam store link, but it's only Twitter. You got some screenshots, and also you can follow the game, which I'm not sure why you would follow a game on Discord. Really, the only thing I can think of is maybe you get pinged whenever your friend plays the game so you can join them, but I don't know. Now, unfortunately, I'm not smart enough to make this whole entire thing work, so I do have to go to Discord Experiment Hub, which is a server I'll link in the description, but they have their own video on how this feature works, and you can see that you can see what friends are playing, and you can also see related games. So, you know, if you're playing Valorant, you might want to play Roblox. They're very similar. Maybe they're similar in terms of degeneracy, I don't know. Now, the next leak of Discord's desktop app launcher, you're either going to hate with every ounce of your soul, or you might actually enjoy. Now, the reason why everyone's going to hate this thing is because you now have another button in your chat bar. People complain that there's a whole bunch of symbols in your chat bar that just fills it up. Well, now we got another one. And this is Discord's desktop app launcher. Now, I have a couple of mixed feelings about this because it does solve a big problem that I had with Discord, and it has to do with activities. With Discord's original activity menu, if you open it up, you have to scroll through this whole entire thing. It's hard to find exactly what you want. There is no search function. But with the app launcher menu, you can just search for whatever you want. You want to search for rhythm? Just type in rhythm, click on the app, and kaboom. You can just launch it directly. Now, the reason why I have mixed feelings about this is because if you keep on scrolling, you have Discord activities, but then you'll start having Discord bots be advertised to you, like Truth or Dare, anonymous DMs. And I was going to spend the next 5 minutes complaining about this, but it turns out if you are in a Discord server that has bots in it, if you use this app launcher, the bots that you actually use on your Discord server appear at the top. So to find those Discord apps that are advertised to you, you gotta scroll down quite a bit before you find them. So it's kind of out of your way. But again, people on Reddit are gonna have an absolute hissy fit because there's another button in your chat bar. And this final Discord leak is some next level business, I tell you. Because Discord is adding an experiment to put a search bar in the user settings. And the crowd goes mild, baby. This is actually a really useful feature. Thank you, Discord. Now that's all of our Discord leak stuff, but I want to talk about two tiny little fixes that Discord did. And trust me, these fixes are greatly appreciated. Because the first fix that Discord did is you can't just accidentally call people anymore. If you get DM'd by someone and you right click and maybe you're trying to go to their profile and block them, if you accidentally click on the call button, Discord will give you this pop-up saying, "Are you sure you're ready to dive into some hardcore degeneracy? Do you really want to call this individual?" You can click "I'm ready" if you actually want to join the call, or you can ask it to never show you this menu again. And just that simple pop-up can save you from sending that awkward message telling people that you didn't mean to call them while you were stalking their profile. I'm being realistic, that's why most of you accidentally call people, you creep. But another small fix Discord did that honestly I love, this is like Discord glazing session, but the fix that Discord did is they made iOS notifications now actually be useful for once. Before, Discord notifications on your iPhone were horrendous. Instead of it saying Advaith here, it would say the username, the channel, the server, and it would go completely off the screen. So if you had a long username, I just had to guess where you're sending the message. But now with these new notifications, it shows you the profile picture of the person sending you the message. It shows you attachment previews, custom emojis. It's actually really nice. And considering like 90% of people in North America have an iPhone, a lot of people are really gonna like this change. Now, if you aren't someone that is on Discord every single day of your life and you refuse to touch grass or join a local club and connect with new people in hopes of actually getting a girlfriend someday, then you might have missed a couple of important Discord updates. And the first one is that if you have Discord Nitro and you go to your Nitro tab, you can now share a 2-week free trial with 3 of your Discord friends. Now, as a disclaimer, if your friend redeems this 2-week trial, they need to give Discord their credit card. And after those 2 weeks, Discord will then charge them for a Discord Nitro subscription. So if you give this trial to someone, make sure they cancel their subscription before the 2 weeks are up. And finally, Discord is rolling out a feature where if you go to the shop, you now have a shop bundle. And it tells you save 24%, but that's based off like the normal price without any discount whatsoever. If you actually do the math and buy each of these things separately, which are $4.99 each, you end up saving a whopping $1. What a deal. Anyways, gamers, it's time for me to spend $500 on the new League of Legends skin. You might ask me why? That's a good question. Anyways, bye-bye, I love you. Mwah!